Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. New listings. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got quite a few of them that just came on today. What do we got here? We have a condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,000 square feet. On East Tropicana, Canyon Willow. Okay. Pretty clean. Downstairs unit. Alright, and where is this? On Tropicana. Okay, over in Henderson area. Okay. By Whitney there. Okay, let's go down to the next one, which is the most highest priced. 1.14. Tri-level home, 5,600 square feet, 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage with a pool. Okay. Old growth there. Looks like they got some sprinkler issues there. Brick. Double door entry. Nice big kitchen. Shower. Big master suite. Look at the size of that sucker. Man. Big everything. Indoor pool. Okay. Oh, look at this. Equestrian center. Oh, that's a community horse barn. Okay. Nice. Okay. Ranchos. What size of a lot do we have? Oh, acre lot. That's interesting. So where is this little dude? Little dude cool. It is up in the northwest, probably. Warm Springs. No, it's right down here by the it's right above here. Older estates there. Built in '63. Okay. This is out of the area, and this is out of the area. So let's go to this one. We're on Reno Avenue. We got a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo, 2-story, 76,000. Oh, pretty clean. Alright. And that is on Spencer and Reno off of Tropicana. Paradise, same area as last one, okay? The most expensive one. Wow. 200 between yesterday and today. 7.1 million, 7,800 square feet. 5-bedroom, 6 baths, 4-car garage, and a pool. Built in 2017. Another contemporary house. Great views. Great kitchen. Okay. Donald Highlands. Yep, Donald Highlands. Donald Ranch, excuse me. Highlands is over here. Okay, well that's that. Let's see what's going here. We have 635. Wow. Under contract. Sold 442. Nothing reported today yet. Okay, so lowest priced. Little condo, 2-story, 85,000. Okay. Los Feliz and Lake Mead. Sunrise Manor area. Okay. 13. These all closed yesterday. Wow, a lot of them closed yesterday. 75, 82, 835. Interesting house. End of the cul-de-sac. Very peaked roof. Brand new, I guess. Interesting house. Big kitchen. Storage area in the garage. That's real interesting. Oh, I see. You got your 2-car garage there and then an RV garage here. Alright, yeah, there's that RV garage. Interesting. Oh, we're on Pebble and Las Vegas Boulevard, so close by here. 835, 3,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, new house. Okay. And then the 12. Yeah, there's a little condo here for 90,000. Over there, I think we looked at that one yesterday. Let's see what else we got here. $850,000. I think we saw this one yesterday. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, that's that. Let's go back and do some searching. See what the pool homes are doing today. In the last couple of days. 0-2. 0-2. Single family with a pool. 39. Again, all over the board, but they're dwindling. It's completely amazing. Okay. $11,000 square foot lot for the average under contract show. 188 a square, 614. No shows, 2520 square feet, 8,500 square feet, 169 a square. Interesting stuff. Okay, well that's 10 minutes, so I will see you on probably Monday. Today is Friday. You have a great day, great weekend.